In this video, we explore why dogs are scared of thunderstorms and share tips on how we can help our beloved pets stay calm and feel safe during the storm. Thunderstorms can be really frightening for many dogs, and it usually comes down to a few key reasons. For some dogs, the loud, sudden noise is overwhelming. Dogs with noise anxiety, especially those with past trauma, are often the most affected. Other dogs may be more sensitive to changes in the weather. Long before the storm even hits, they can sense shifts in air pressure, static electricity, humidity, and wind. Because their ears are more sensitive to pressure changes than ours, these shifts can sometimes cause physical discomfort. Signs your dog is anxious during a storm. It's important to recognize when your dog is feeling anxious or stressed during a storm. Common signs include panting, shaking, or drooling, excessive yawning or licking, tucking their tail or pinning their ears back, having accidents indoors, pacing, whining or barking, hiding in corners or under furniture. Sometimes, anxious dogs can also become destructive, chewing on furniture or objects as a way to cope with their stress. How to prepare your dog for an approaching storm. If you know a storm is on the way, there are several things you can do to help your dog feel safe and secure. 1. Keep an eye on the weather. Regularly check the forecast. If possible, try to be home with your dog during the storm to provide comfort and reassurance. 2. Skip the walks. Dogs often sense storms well before we do. Going for a walk during this time could make them nervous, and if you get caught in a storm, they might panic and try to run. Ensure your dog is microchipped and your contact information is up to date just in case. 3. Set up a quiet, cozy spot where your dog can feel secure, like a small room, crate, or a corner with their bed. Add their favorite blankets, toys, and even an item of your clothing for extra comfort. Dogs naturally seek out dens during stressful times, so a safe zone can really help. 4. Provide background noise. Turn on the TV, some calming music, or a podcast. Try to choose something relaxing, like classical music, reggae, or a podcast with soft voices. It can help muffle the sound of thunder and make the environment feel less threatening. Some streaming services even offer playlists designed to soothe anxious dogs. 5. Secure your home. Before the storm hits, check for any possible escape routes in your house and yard. Some dogs may try to run or hide when they're scared, so it's important to block off exits. Closing blinds or curtains can also reduce the visual effects of lightning flashes. When the storm arrives, try these tips to keep your dog calm during the thunderstorm. 1. Stay calm. Your dog picks up on your emotions. If you stay calm, they're more likely to feel reassured. Avoid shouting or scolding, even if they've become destructive or had an accident indoors. Reacting negatively will only heighten their anxiety. 2. Let them find their space. If your dog wants to pace, whine, or hide, allow them to do so. If they find a spot where they seem calm, give them space. If they come to you for comfort, pet them gently or sit nearby. Make sure to respect their needs because some dogs may want to be close, while others might prefer to be left alone. 3. Distract them. For dogs with mild anxiety, a fun distraction can work wonders. Play with their favorite toy, start a game of fetch, or offer treat puzzles to keep their mind occupied. Engaging them in simple training activities can also help redirect their focus and reward them for staying calm. 4. Use calming techniques. If your dog struggles with severe anxiety, consult your vet about safe calming aids. There are natural supplements, sprays, and anxiety wraps that can help your dog feel more at ease during a storm. And finally, here are some extra tips to help with long-term storm anxiety. If your dog's storm anxiety is severe, gradual desensitization can help. Play recorded thunder sounds at a low volume while doing something fun with them, like playing or giving treats. Slowly increase the volume over time as they get used to the noise, always pairing it with positive experiences to help them form a more relaxed association. With patience, preparation, and understanding, you can make storms a little less scary for your dog. Each small step can make a big difference in easing their anxiety.